The Dogs of the Desert, or more commonly known as the 379th Security Forces military working dogs and their handlers, are out there every day protecting our six.
Now the dogs deployed here to Southwest Asia are dual-purpose dogs. They're patrol certified as well as detection. Patrol encompasses the obedience course, basic obedience, scouting, looking for subjects, and of course the bite and attack work.
The Security Forces handlers have to volunteer and be chosen for this position, and this requires a deep commitment.
I think that the job is humbling. There isn't a day that isn't the same. There's always something new that you're learning, especially from other handlers, more experienced handlers.
Trust between the dogs and their handlers does not happen overnight. It must be earned through shared experiences.
We have an incredible rapport together. Sierra and I have been together for a year and 2 months now. I think we get along pretty well. Sierra, do you agree?
But all work and no play makes Johnny a dull boy, and these dogs need a chance to get loose.
He also is a Kong reward. Some of our dogs are a ball reward or a food reward, and he is a Kong, which is just a common dog toy.
Where dog meets airman, together they're one of the Air Force's most efficient combinations, and they are here to protect you. Reporting from Southwest Asia, this is Technical Sergeant Michael Gray.